In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save AliExpress photos and videos for your product listings. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to aliexpress.com. Once you're there, navigate to the specific product page for the item you plan to list. It's best to work directly from the product page so you're viewing the official images in their highest available quality. On the page, click on the main product image to open the larger viewer. This enlarges the photo and often loads a higher resolution version, which is what you want for clean, professional-looking listings. With the image enlarged, move your cursor over the photo and right-click. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the control key while clicking will do the same thing. In the menu that appears, choose Save Image As. Your browser will prompt you to pick a location on your computer, select a folder you use for product assets, and click Save. If you haven't set one up yet, this is a great time to create a simple structure, such as a folder with the product name, and subfolders for main images, variants, and lifestyle shots. Keeping things organized now will save time when you upload to your store. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that the saved file looks sharp. Open it and check the dimensions and clarity. If it appears small or blurry, go back to the product page. Make sure the image is fully enlarged or zoomed and repeat the save. Sometimes the viewer loads multiple versions, so giving it a second to sharpen before saving can help. You may also see different file formats like JPG or WEBP. Most e-commerce platforms accept these, and consistency in your library is more important than the format itself. Repeat the same process for any additional images you plan to use, especially angles or variants that match your listing. Consider renaming the files as you save them, using clear, descriptive names so they're easy to find later. Many listings on AliExpress also include short videos. Availability and download options vary by seller and browser, and permission to use those videos can depend on the supplier's policies. The safest approach is to request the original media from the supplier so you have both quality and proper usage rights. Finally, always respect intellectual property. Avoid images with watermarks or branding you're not authorized to use, and make sure your supplier allows you to use their assets in your product listing. With a clean, organized set of images saved from the product page, you'll be ready to build a professional, high-converting listing.